good with y'all? What's good? We back with another video, man. Today we on the move. I know y'all hear the truck in the background. Gotta make it happen, man. Big Meech pretty much done, like I said. So now time to get on Dolo. So I got my boy Jerome out here, Jackson Towing. Number on the screen right now. Hit them up. Y'all see I use the same people all the time for everything, man. Great work out here early in the morning, getting it in, grabbing it for me. And we about to get this thing to the house so I can put the engine in. Y'all see Dolo low, boy. Gonna get it to the house, so I said get the engine installed. We were gonna try to get it yesterday, but it had too much going on. So that's what we got. This thing here, boy. Low rider. Ain't worry about that bumper. Ain't worry about it all. Might come off and replace it anyway. Everything new. Everything new. Yeah, man. We in there. So they about to head to the house. Got wife and Tina with me. We about to run around a little bit. One down here in my hometown. Got to run a few errands. Then we're gonna get back to the house, man, and I gotta see what's going on with Meech. I gotta see what's going on with Meech, cause the fuel pump actually stopped working yesterday. I hooked the electric choke wire up. I did it off camera. I just ran it to the ignition fuse so I get the 12 volts, and the fuel pump stopped working. I don't know. So I got a test light, cause I ain't never had one. I bought a test light yesterday. I'm gonna show y'all that and all that. Then we're gonna test the wire, test the connection, and find out what's going on with the fuel pump, which is definitely a simple fix. So we're gonna check that out today, figure that out, crank Meech up, and we're gonna see what's going on. But Dolo about to go back to the house so we can get it, get the engine put in. Like I said, trying to help Aunt out, cause he backed up, and that's it. So I'll catch y'all on the next video, not the next video. All right, y'all. So I'm back. Like I said, I'm checking in. About to mess with Meech. I crunk it up. It fired right up. Drop of the key. But like I said, the fuel pump, I don't know, man. I lost power to the fuel pump last night for some reason. So I went and picked this up. I grabbed test light from AutoZone. Let me get it. This is the one I got. So we're gonna do a little review, see how this works. I mean, test light pretty simple. This a $10 test light. You can get them for $4, then they get up there to $30 and $40, the ones that actually supply 12 volts to them, whatever. So they can get souped up, but this will do the job for me, cause I'm gonna be turning the key, make sure I got 12 volts on the choke wire, which I'm pretty sure. But you know, on the fuse boxes, on the fuse boxes, man, the writing on them get scratched off and all that. So I'm pretty sure that's the ignition fuse location. I think I can remember, but I'm still gonna check it with the tail light to make sure it get power when I turn the key, but not power when it's running, constant power. Well, make sure it's not hot all the time. Basically, make sure it just get live when I turn the key. And I'm gonna find out what's going on with the problem. I'm gonna trace the problem as far as to the fuel pump, which is gonna be an easy trace, cause it ain't nothing but a power wire and a ground wire, and it's on a toggle switch. So I already touched, last night I took one side off the toggle switch and touched it, and that still didn't do it. So I don't know, we're gonna see. It's either problem in the fuse box, or I know that pump ain't got burnt up, man, not that fast. I hope not. But either way, we're gonna get it figured out, crank Meech up, and that'll be it for that. So y'all know Dolo here. Got it situated, so we're gonna be starting on it soon. Let me get this bust out the pack, and then we're gonna find out what the problem is. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all. So I just got finished testing the connections and the wires and all that good stuff. We got fire from the fuse box. Obviously, that wire's still hot. The switch is working, cause when I flip the switch circuit on, it becomes hot on the other side. So the switch is not faulty, cause that can happen. Cause it's activating the connection to the other side, so the switch good. So now my thing to do, y'all see I got the jack back there, is check the connection at the pump and see what's going on, man. Make sure ain't nothing wiggle or loose, or the exhaust didn't snap nothing loose or nothing like that. So, and I had to switch the wire. I had to switch the fuse that I had the electrode wire on, because it was on a constant hot wire, and I put it on 12 volts, switch 12 volts. So I got this switch, but now I'm about to jack this thing up. We're gonna see if something came loose or somewhere, you know, in the back, or maybe in the, I don't know that, or either I might just run an entirely new wire so I know what I got to be sure, cause I don't know if it's spliced together and all that stuff. So get it jacked up, y'all. We're gonna slide on there and see what's going on, see if we can get the fuel pump come back on. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I'm checking back in. This is what I came up with so far. All right, I'm gonna slide on this car so I can show y'all what we got going on. Shit, don't mess with it. You don't try. Don't mess with it. Put that back by the time. I'm tripping. See kids, boy, you don't teach kids they're kids. She done moved my stock piece by the tire, my tire top. Well, anyway, this will ooh, it's dark. Hold on. Let me brighten it up for y'all. Show y'all what I got going on. All right, so this is why I test light good. I came up on here with the test light. At first, I hooked me up a hot wire, and I was gonna straight wire the pump. I touched it to my battery I got for Dolo. I didn't get nothing, but that battery probably dead. Honestly, it been sitting in the garage for about a month. It probably done discharged. So I said, okay, I hooked the test light up, touched that wire, I got fire. I still got fire, still hot. The wire, it's up there. Y'all can't see it. It's around there though. It's an 18 gauge wire. It's coming from the other side of the switch. Supposedly, when I engage the switch, it doesn't have any fire. The wire that was connected to the fuel pump wire, it doesn't have any fire, which is supposed to be going to the back of the switch. So that must mean it's two different pieces of wire spliced together. So it probably got kicked loose in the car somewhere. So I gotta trace that, or either run one whole solid wire. Cause basically I just don't have no fire getting signal to the fuel pump. So that's what's wrong. So that's an easy fix. So right now I'm gonna see if I can trace it. And if I don't like what I see, I'm just gonna run a whole entirely new wire and hook it to the back of the switch. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, man. I'm so tired of this car, man. I ain't even tell you no lie. I'm tired of this car. Damn fuel pump is burnt up. I don't know how it happened. Probably just cause it's cheap. But the fuel pump is done. I checked the wire. I went back checking my connections in the car. The wire had jumped out the fuse box, so I plugged it back up. Went through checking my connections. I found out where they were connected together. It's a butt connector between the two wires. So I know ain't nothing pulled it loose. Between the 18 gauge and the smaller wire, it's a butt connector. So went back under the car again, hooked up the test light. The wire has fire. So they let me know the fuel pump burn up. Cause it's getting fire to it. It's getting straight fire. Ground on there good, of course. The fuel pump burn up, man. I tell you, boy. Every day I've been running into something with this car, man. I'm really about tired of it, to be honest. I keep running into the problem with these cars, man. That junk get frustrated. Man, seems like the cars be down more than I'm driving. And I'm just spending money. I'm tired of spending money, man. So I'm about to take the fuel pump off. I'm taking it back, man, cause I ain't even had this fuel pump 2 months, man. This pump ain't ran long enough to even think about burning up, man. That's crazy. Got the right voltage and all of that. Like, it's not overloaded. Didn't nothing short circuit or none of that, cause I didn't touch no wires. It just decided to quit. So, boy, I tell you. So I'm about to take it off and take it back, man. Nah, that's too quick. So I'm gonna take it back and I don't know, see what happens. So y'all just stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I got this fuel pump off. Check this out. Check this out. Y'all check this out now. Tell you what. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Kind of hard to hold the camera and do both of them, but Let me see if I can make it work. I know what, hold on. I'm gonna do it like this. Do it like this. Check this out. Man, I don't know. I do not know. At this point, I guess the switch is faulty. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm confused, man. I'm confused. It was getting fire to the pump. It's getting fire. It's getting 12 volts to the pump. But it wasn't coming on. So at this point, to be on the safe side, I'm gonna run fresh wires all the way around. I'm finna run entirely new wire. Well, from the back, I'm not running it. I'm basically finna switch. I'm gonna take that switch out and get a new switch. Wife about to run to the parts store for me. I'm gonna put a brand new switch in there, and I'm gonna run a fresh wire to the fuse box, to a different location in the fuse box. Cause I don't know, I'm confused. I'm just mad I done took the whole fuel pump off and now gotta put it back on. Man, that was unnecessary, but it is what it is, man. We finna get to it, put the fuel pump back on. When she get the switch back, I'ma put new switch and wire and all that stuff in. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, so we're taking back in. Got the fuel pump back up there. Got it hooked up pretty fast. Wife came out here and helped me. She impacted the bolts from the trunk. I held a wrench down at the bottom. And got the hose and all that on. Tried hooking the wire up. I was thinking my switch probably bad. Let me show y'all what I done did. I ain't been recording, man. I ain't been trying to focus on recording. I need to think. Try to process all this what's going on. So this is the wire running from the fuel pump. This is the wire directly that was directly connected to the fuel pump. Then I had this little piece right here, but connected together, and this was twisted together with the piece that went to, which is a smaller gauge, slightly smaller, that went to the switch, which I have removed. Let me see, right there. Take that out, which I have removed. It was on that side, and then this was plugged directly. Can't even talk. Directly into the fuse box. So all of that is just a bunch of mess. So what I did is took a brand new wire. I ran a brand new wire, the same gauge as the wire on the fuel pump, and ran it directly to the fuse box and tested on a hot fuse, and the pump came on. So this wire right here is bad somewhere. So what I'm about to do is run an entirely new wire and remove this and get all this out of here. And this time I'm gonna remove the switch too. I'm gonna take it out off the switch, cause wife might, well, I know wife will be driving sometimes, so we're gonna do away with this and gonna run it straight to a switch that comes on with the key, which I already located. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to do some cleanup. I planned on mounting the gauges today, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I don't know if I'm gonna feel like doing it after this. So that's the plan. Remove all this old stuff and run new, so I know how it's set up. Cause I don't even remember splicing all this together like that when I had the car, which I probably didn't. Cause I know I didn't have no switch like that when I had it years back. But that's enough of that. I'm finna do some cleanup, try to get the thing hooked up again so I can fire it back up and it ain't cutting off and all that other stuff. So stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I'm checking in. Finally got it done. Man, I'm a neat freak. I had to run the wire neat, man. I want to go through the frame and all that and trace it back. I put it back on the switch. So this is all that came out the car, and that right here more than likely was the problem. Grounding out. Probably grounding out. All that was exposed under the carpet, just like that. I don't know why, but that's how it was. So I'm kind of glad I went ahead and took all this out. So all that going in the trash, put the drill to work, said, shout out to wifey, man. She bought these for me. Wasn't no special occasion or nothing. So I got the new Milwaukee drill. It's what I use to prime the engine. And I got an impact driver, the M18. This thing here the truth. This thing, it's low. This thing here the truth. So I gotta do a review on that. I got to do a review on that. So we got the let me see. See, I like to do stuff neat. So we back. I think my keys in here. Yep. See. Hold on. Brighten it up. So we back on switch. Y'all hear it? Yes, indeed. We back now. Should fire right off. Look at that. Drop of the key. Drop of the key. Yep. Fuck up on the dime. Now we back. Back again. So, me and wifey about to put the hood back on, back this thing up, straighten it up. Now I got it back running again. Then we're gonna get on Dolo. We're gonna go ahead and get the engine in Dolo. We got it home now. Like I said, I'm trying to help Unc out cause he loaded. He loaded, so I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna be going back to the shop too. Trying to help my Unc out, man. He flooded that shop. Shout out to everybody going to Joe Buddy race and getting stuff done. So electric tote working. Ahead. Yep, electric tote working. Yes, we good. We good. Everything wired up. So like I said, I got the electric tote working right now, like it's supposed to. Y'all hear it going down. It's slow. My bad, y'all. The camera had cut off, man. I ran my car, it got full. But yeah, like I said, electric tote working, all that stuff. So we good to go. We good to go. So let me cut this off. I hit the gas, it probably idle down. Let's see. There you go. Need to be idle up now. That's what the problem is now. It gotta be idle up, but I'll do that another day, man. I'll do that another day. But this thing here, yeah, it gotta be idle up now. Yeah, just a little bit. Gotta be idle up just a tad. Yep. So that's it, man. That's it, y'all. We good to go. We back. So I'm putting the hood on, clean up my little mess, and we got to run to the store, y'all. So I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Y'all know we got this one over here now, so it's gonna be back daily still till we get Dolo running. I say 2 weeks tops, cause it got a fuel pump got to be mounted, some of everything. So I say 2 weeks tops at the very tops, and you know it can run into problems. I still got to hunt down dry shaft and stuff like that. So y'all just stay tuned, man, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Appreciate y'all. I'm out.